Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in real estate or just getting into investing, there's a financing tool that doesn't get nearly enough attention, but it can absolutely save your deal or even help you scale faster. I'm talking about bridge loans. They're one of those things that, once you understand how they work, you'll start seeing opportunities you used to miss. So what exactly is a bridge loan? Well, just like the name implies, it's a short-term loan that acts as a bridge between two major financial events. Maybe you're buying a new property but haven't sold your current one yet. Maybe you've got a construction project that's done, but you're not ready to refi into a long-term loan. Or maybe you just need to close fast, like next week fast, and the bank's not calling you back in time. That's where a bridge loan comes in. It's designed to help you move quickly, solve a short-term gap, and see and position yourself for the next step. Now, let's walk through how these loans actually work. Say you find a killer deal, maybe a triplex in a hot rental market, but you need to close in 10 days. Traditional lenders, forget it. They're gonna ask for tax returns, income docs, seasoning, and then maybe they'll call you in a month. A private bridge lender, on the other hand, can fund that deal in a week or less. And the cool part? They're not just underwriting you, they're underwriting the deal. So they're looking at the purchase price, the current value, your plan for the property, and most importantly, your exit strategy. Are you planning to refinance once it's stabilized? Or are you flipping it in 90 days? That's the kind of clarity they want to see. Bridge loans are usually structured as interest-only loans with terms around 6 to 18 months, sometimes up to 24 months if it's a bigger deal. Rates typically range between 9 and 12%. And yeah, there's usually 1 to 2 points up front. That might sound high compared to a 30-year mortgage, but remember, this isn't long-term debt. This is strategic capital. You're not marrying this loan, you're dating it just long enough to make your next move. And here's something people often overlook. Bridge loans are incredibly cash flow friendly during the hold period. Because they're interest only, your monthly payments are lower, and more of your budget can go toward renovations, leasing, or marketing, whatever moves the project forward. You typically need to bring some equity into the deal, usually 15 to 25% of the total cost. That shows the lender you've got skin in the game. Some loans will also come with a personal guarantee, especially if you're newer to investing or it's a larger loan amount. All right, so when should you actually use a bridge loan? This is where it gets fun, because they're way more versatile than most people think. If you need to close fast, boom, bridge loan. If you're buying a fixer that won't qualify for a DSCR or conventional loan, bridge loan. If you've got a new construction that's almost done but you need to season it with tenants before refinancing, bridge. We've even seen people use them to buy land while they're still finalizing permits, or to finance the back end of a 1031 exchange when timelines get tight. Now look, like any loan product, they're not perfect for every situation. If your plan is to hold a property long-term and you don't have a clear path to refi or sell, a bridge loan might not be the best fit. But if you're a real estate investor who needs speed, flexibility, and a short-term solution to keep your deal alive, this is the tool. You just need to have your numbers dialed in, know your exit strategy, and work with a lender who moves fast and understands your goals. So if you've got a deal in the pipeline, or you're just trying to figure out how to structure financing for your next move, reach out to us at Apex 4K. We specialize in private lending for real estate investors, and bridge loans are right in our wheelhouse. We'll take a look at your deal, run the numbers, and let you know if it's a good fit. All right, that's it for today. If you got value out of this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that little bell so you don't miss future content. We're dropping new breakdowns every week on real estate investing, private capital, and strategies that help you move faster and smarter in today's market. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.